Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about this awesome pillow. So I got this off of Amazon. If you could believe, it came all like shrunken up, and look how fluffy and thick it is. It is wonderful. so puffy and nice. So I'm not sure what kind of pillow lover you are. Everyone likes a different size pillow. This is great for those who really like the thicker pillows that are like cozy. So I like using these personally on my bed as like decoration with like the duvet pillowcases over it. But I think it would be really nice for those who like a thicker pillow. It's really soft and really fluffy and just really cozy. So I was a little nervous ordering pillows off of Amazon because I wasn't sure what I was going to get, but this does not disappoint. So I recommend them and I think you should check them out, and that is my point of view.